Welcome to my sweet home! Let's take a tour inside and explore all the different rooms together.
Starting at the very top, we have the roof protecting our home. Next is the bathroom, where we brush our teeth and take a fresh bath. And right next to it is the bedroom, a cozy place where we sleep and rest. Let's go down to the middle floor. Here's the kitchen, where yummy meals are prepared. Beside the kitchen is the dining room, where the family sits together to eat. And look outside, that's the balcony, with beautiful flowering plants in the fresh air. On the ground floor, we have the living room, a warm space to sit, relax, and chat. Over here is the garage, keeping our bright yellow car safe and sound. And connecting all 3 floors are the stairs to help us move up and down. Bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, and garage. Every room makes a house a sweet home. Thanks for watching!